Hey everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Arby's horsey sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back and thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us though, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, like I said, we're going to show you how to make Arby's horsey sauce. Quick, simple recipe, awesome on roast beef. Let's head in the kitchen and see what our ingredients are. We have got 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a 1/4 cup creamed horseradish, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's whip this up. All right, as we do every time, make sure you have a big enough bowl so you mix all your ingredients. You're not slopping it all over the place. Here we go. Boom. We're going to be done before you know it. You've got mayonnaise, horseradish sauce, sugar, salt. Try not to dump it all. You just mix this up. Here you go. That's all there is to it. Arby's horsey sauce, perfect for roast beef. Thanks a lot for watching. Enjoy yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment below. Have a good day.